What's up, warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin price update. As you can see, yesterday I was telling you guys in the last video that we're coming into a very high resistance level, which is the monthly. And as you can see, we tried to break through it multiple times, but we end up getting rejected. Okay. Now, I was telling you that if we cannot hold this weekly support, that it might come into a resistance level if we break down, and we did. As you can see, we end up making this high print right here, right? This single print, and we broke down because we were not able to hold this weekly support. Now it became resistance, and now we're here in the middle. Now, what can happen is that we can either as you can see, if I put this here, here's like a little bit of support, right? Well, it could happen is that we can bounce here for a little bit, right? Just keep bouncing and maybe get another leg up and try to test this weekly resistance again. If not, then we're gonna come back down to this daily support, right, where it kind of matches with this Fibonacci level around that 40,241. Now we don't know if that's what's gonna happen. Okay, so from there, all we can do is wait right now to see if we're gonna break the support level right here, right, and then still come back down to this daily. Okay, if that happens, then of course we need to hold this daily in order to move back up to this weekly resistance level. If we cannot hold it, then we are going to come back down to at least test this Fibonacci level at the 40,241, and then continue back down if we cannot hold that, which will be around that 39,000 to 38,000 area, right? But we could get a nice bounce up from here and see if maybe that will happen, right? But as you can see, I did tell you guys yesterday, hey, listen, we're coming to major resistance on this monthly. Usually the higher the resistance, the more powerful it is, and we might get rejected. And as you can see, we tried to test it here, try to test it here, we try to test it here, we try to test it here, and finally broke down, right? So that's just where we at right now. Now, if we do move this a little bit to the side, let me show you. Let me put on the 4-hour here. All right, so from here, this is the old range, right? As you can see, we have come back to this range, right? So now we're here. So for now, what we can do is just trade this range until it breaks. Of course, we don't know what's gonna happen, right? But all we can do is have these levels in place and trade them until, of course, they break, right? Now on the 4 hours, you can see our indicator did tell us here, like, hey, this is the arrow of going down, right? When we did try to touch this Fibonacci level and we ended up getting rejected, and then we came back down to that. Okay, now that is let me show you. From here to here, that's a 6.34% move down. Okay, amazing. Now from this bottom, right, from the bottom to the top here, that's another 6.66% move. Okay, so that's super amazing. As you can see, our indicator is calling this really nicely right now. All right, but for the Bitcoin price, like I said, right now we need to see if we can hold the support level right here. As you can see, it's been touched multiple times. Okay, right here, right here, right here, all these levels right here has been touched. Also right here, that's where we had this mini range and it broke up. So if we can hold this level and we can start moving back up from here, then try to test this weekly again and fill up this single print, then we might have a nice chance of maybe back testing this if we break through it and start closing above it, and then move back up to the monthly. Okay, but if we cannot do that, then of course, like I said, the next level will be this weekly here, which is, you know, a little bit below. It's around that 40,700 zone. Okay, so we're gonna see what Bitcoin wants to do, and from there, those are the levels that I have so far. Remember, if you're trading, to have a plan, you need to have a plan for a bearish scenario and a bullish scenario at all times. And when you see your plan, make sure that you execute it, and also put your stop losses in place, so in case it doesn't work out, you're kicked out and you don't have to have a big loss. Again, that is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purposes only. I hope you enjoyed this short, quick video. I'll keep making them for you Monday through Friday, and I have some other videos that I'm gonna start creating as well, learning, you know, teaching you basically on how to do market structure, on how to read support and resistance, and a little bit of different things. Okay, so keep a lookout for that, and I will let you guys know. So if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. If make sure that you like this video and comment below, and I'll comment back to you. All right, so I'll see you in the next video, warriors, and I hope you have a great day. And remember, let the profits come to you.